guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I cleanse my scalp while in braids. A clean scalp is a healthy scalp. When it comes to a healthy hair journey, a clean scalp is very important because it's the foundation, it's the basis. If your scalp is healthy, your hair is more likely to be healthy. So what I use is basically just two products. I use methylated spirit, which you can get from any pharmacist close to you, and a cotton wool. So what I do is I just soak the cotton wool in the methylated spirit, then squeeze off the excess liquid from the cotton wool and just use it to clean my scalp. And the other benefit of this method of cleansing your scalp is that it can also get rid of an itchy scalp. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get an update whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much and see you in my next video. Bye.